very much for coming. My name's Grand Chief Arlen Dumas, the Assembly of Manitoba Chiefs, ARLENDUMAS. I'm pleased to see everybody come out. I wanted to acknowledge my chiefs. Maybe I'll have them introduce themselves.
Chief Norman Bowen, Kisakonan First Nation, also representative for West Region Tribal Council.
Sorry, sir, can I get your spelling, please?
Normanbone.
Chief Shirley Ducharme, Opipunapiwin Cree Nation, SHIRLEY DUCHARME.
I'm Chief Larson Anderson from the Norrie House Cree Nation.
Yeah, I'm Chief David Crate, Fisher River Cree Nation.
Thank you very much, chiefs. Again, thank you to the media. We just wanted to send a message to our communities and to the province in general. We wanted to reassure our community members that we are paying close attention to the issue at hand in regards to COVID-19. I want to commend our different health expertise for the work that they've been doing. We have been meeting diligently for the past 3 or 4 weeks. However, because things are escalating, we just wanted to send a message out to our communities, to our people, that this is an issue that we're monitoring closely, that we're all working towards. The Assembly of Manitoba Chiefs supports the initiatives that some of the communities have taken. However, we want everyone to sort of, in light of the severe situation, we want everyone to try and make informed decisions. We call upon our supports and our community members to try and be calm and make informed decisions and be strategic as possible as we move forward. I want to commend the chiefs for coming in on an emergency notice to have a conversation about this issue. We just finished meeting with the medical officer of health, Dr. Rutledge. I'm in communication with the minister's office, with the deputy ministers as well. The assembly is being directed by our chiefs to sort of lead how we move forward. We embolden all the work that our nations are doing, but again, we need to be strategic. We need to not cause panic. It is a very serious matter, but I believe that if we come together and we support each other and we look out for one another, that we will be able to ensure the best results possible for our communities. The chiefs at the executive have passed a resolution regarding pandemic COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus. Therefore, be it resolved that in response to the pandemic, number one, we postpone all AMC related events until further notice. Number two, we encourage each First Nation in Manitoba to complete their local pandemic and emergency plans, and to encourage them to consider, closing their schools and other facilities or institutions that they may require. We encourage them to practice social distancing, make every effort to protect each other. We started doing elbow shakes, so we'll do an elbow bump right now with my chiefs. That's very important that we start practicing those types of things. We call on the provincial emergency incidents response team to ensure that medical supplies are available to each First Nation in Manitoba, and it directs the AMC to continue to meet with First Nations in Manitoba and others on the regional level, including the potential provision of sanitation packages for each First Nation, and regularly report to all First Nations leadership. As I had said, we are coordinating. We've been directed to coordinate a lot of these initiatives. We will be developing enhanced communiques and communication initiatives for our chiefs and our communities, and we will be meeting every Monday with all of our health practitioners, our health experts, and we're inviting, all of our organizations, as well as our tribal councils to come together. I want to paraphrase what our chiefs have said. It's a all hands on deck issue, and that we all have a responsibility and an obligation to make sure that we're looking out for the well-being of our children and our communities.
Anyway,
Any questions? No? Perfect. Again, thank you very much for coming and helping us communicate with our communities and everyone in general, and we make every effort to assist and help in this, at this urgent time. Thank you very much. Miigwech.